together, we use the networks in our respective domains to raise awareness of the digital gender gap among decision makers. We organize public roundtables where we discuss what can be done concretely in Austria in areas such as business and the workplace, or early childhood education, or also university education or the media, to close the digital gender gap in Austria. In some statistics in Austria's universities, for example, the proportion of female computer science graduates stagnates at around 15% for years now. I teach students in computer science, artificial intelligence, and also psychology, and I'm quite lucky if I teach a course in which I have about 20% of female students, right? So this is still the situation. We have recent surveys from Austria that indicate that girls in school are still often discouraged from studying anything technical, and that family members and peers often still don't even consider the idea that a girl could do an education in a STEM-related subject. To be successful, to close the digital gender gap, to have more female leaders in the digital realm in the future, I think networking is key in the upcoming years. So we have to get existing initiatives in touch with each other, so that they can empower each other, right? We have to get the public and the private sectors in touch with each other. We have to exchange best practices all over Europe.